eyes, Daddy. Daddy's a nice and gentle boy. Oh, good sit. Oh, good, Dada. You can also get Daddy has these really big eyes. So sometimes when he look at people, he has this like up staring, and that can look very intimidating and a little scary. But he's actually just a very gentle boy, and he has these big head. And he's black, but he's actually just a very gentle boy and loves to be by your side, and really loves the attention, belly rubbing.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Look at that. I don't know if you can tell. Look at that. He has his eyes bulging.
Hello.
Don't do that. That's ugly. That makes you so ugly.
Hello.
That makes you so ugly. Chubby boy. Chubby boy. Chubby boy. Chubby boy. Chubby boy. Can we see your eyes? Can we see? He likes to lay down like this, right? Go to sleep? Okay.
Hi.
Okay, boy. Yep. Hi.